Hi everybody, welcome back. It's good to see you again. Before we jump into the math, let's take a brief moment to just relax and meditate together. And we'll take some long, deep breaths. Make sure you're seated upright and slowly close your eyes. Just focus on being here. And we're going to take a deep inhale through the nose, deep into the belly. And a nice slow exhale through the nose. Let it all out. We're going to inhale slowly through the nose, nice and deep. And as you exhale through the nose slowly, relax your face, especially your jaw. Just let your jaw hang loosely. Take another deep breath in, breathe in the good air. And exhale through your nose completely. Relax your neck and your shoulders. One last inhale. Breathe in the good through your nose, nice and deep. And on the exhale, see how slowly you can exhale through the nose, savoring that nice, long, relaxing exhale. Good job. So here's a multiple choice problem from the College Board. Let's have a look at it together. So it says if a over b equals 2, what's the value of 4b over a? And there are 4 choices there to pick from, 0, 1, 2, and 4. So why don't you give it a try, see if you're able to solve this on your own. It's okay if you're not able to. If you don't know how to approach this, go ahead and just take a guess. So take a minute or so and then we'll look at it together. Okay, so let's have a look at this together. I actually like this problem more than just your typical algebra problem that asks you to solve completely for x, because we're starting with an expression of a over b, and they're asking us to find out what 4b over a would be. And I'm not sure what the specific value of a or b is, but we can manipulate a over b to get it to be 4b over a. So I want you to look at this and this. Notice that I have a over b and then 4 times b over a. So the relationship between those is they're just reversed, right? So I was working last night at 100% college prep in the Bayview here in San Francisco. Was tutoring some students, and one student made the observation that if you have an equation, you can take the reciprocal of each side of the equation and the new values will still be equal to each other. So that's exactly right, and that's going to be really helpful here. So let's rewrite the equation as a over b is equal to, instead of 2, I'm going to write 2 over 1 it's 2 wholes. So we're now going to take the reciprocal of each side, right? I'm just going to flip each side. So then I end up with b over a is equal to 1/2. And again, I'm trying to get to 4b over a. Well, if I know that b over a is 1/2, then let's take 4 of those. So I have 4 times b over a on the left. And you know that I need to do the same thing to the right side of the equation, which would be 4 times 1/2. And if we simplify this, on the left we have 4b over a, which is what we wanted. And 4 times 1/2 is 2. So that looks really good. It looks like the answer is going to be C. Okay, so I want to show you a second strategy here. It's a little unusual, but I think you guys will like it. And it entails looking at this whole first equation, which is a over b equals 2. And we mentioned that I have no idea what a is equal to and what b is equal to. So this is the part that is going a little rogue. We're just going to rewrite the equation, right? And let's pick a value of a and b that will make that true, right? We're just making it up. So let's pick a value of a, and Jackson just had his birthday over the weekend and he just turned 6. So I'm going to pick 6 for a. So if a is 6, let's just substitute it in. So I have 6 for a over b is equal to 2. All I did was I put in 6 for a. Now let's solve this. 6 over b equals 2, so what is b going to be equal to? Well, 6 divided by what number is going to give me 2? B must equal 3, right? 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So look at what we have now. We've got a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 3, and that makes the equation true. A over b, 6 over 3 is equal to 2. So now they're asking me, what would 4b over a be? So let's just use these actual values. 4b over a, so 4b over a, for these two values that work, would be 4 times 3 over 6. So what is 4 times 3 over 6? Well, it's 12 over 6, which is equal to 2. And lo and behold, what do you notice? That 2 is the same as C, which is what the previous solution showed. So just wanted to share with you this particular strategy, which is you can actually make up values to make an equation true and see where it might lead you. And in this case, it led us to the accurate answer. So I hope you enjoyed these solutions and these strategies. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And I look forward to working with you again.